Hold on to your helmets, folks, because the world of cryptocurrency is at it again, and this time, it's bringing along a Viking. FLOKI, the cryptocurrency named after Elon Musk's Shiba Inu, yes, you read that right, has been making waves, and not just the kind caused by a longboat. This meme coin has been surging in value, leaving many wondering if this is just another flash in the pan or the start of a Viking conquest of the crypto market. Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the turbulent seas of FLOKI. First things first, let's address the elephant, or rather, the dog in the room. FLOKI is a meme coin, meaning it started as a joke, inspired by the whims of the internet and, in this case, Elon Musk's affinity for tweeting about his dog. But don't let the lighthearted origins fool you. Meme coins have a knack for garnering massive online communities and experiencing surprising price surges. Remember Dogecoin? Yeah, that started as a joke too. The point is, dismissing FLOKI as just another meme coin would be a mistake. It's already proven its ability to generate buzz and attract investors. The real question is, can it sustain this momentum and transform from a meme into a force to be reckoned with in the crypto world? Let's dig deeper and find out. Now, before we crown FLOKI the king of the crypto sea, we need to talk about the big kahuna, the original gangster of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like the tide that lifts all boats, or in this case, all cryptocurrencies. When Bitcoin goes up, the entire market tends to follow suit, and FLOKI is no exception. This correlation isn't just some random coincidence, it highlights the influence Bitcoin has on investor sentiment. When Bitcoin is on a roll, investors feel more confident about taking risks, and that confidence spills over into altcoins like FLOKI. It's like the fear of missing out effect, but on a crypto scale. So, while FLOKI's recent price surge is impressive, it's important to remember that it's not happening in a vacuum. The overall bullish trend in the crypto market, largely driven by Bitcoin, is playing a significant role. This doesn't diminish FLOKI's achievements, but it does add a layer of context that's crucial for understanding its trajectory. Alright, let's talk about whales. And no, we're not switching gears to a marine biology documentary. In the crypto world, whales are those elusive creatures with massive holdings of a particular cryptocurrency. They're the big fish in the crypto pond, and when they move, they can create waves that ripple throughout the market. Now, when it comes to FLOKI, a significant chunk of its circulating supply is held by these whales. This can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it shows that large investors see potential in FLOKI, enough to park a considerable amount of their crypto treasure in it. This can inspire confidence in other investors, leading to further price increases. On the other hand, if a whale decides to sell a large portion of their holdings, it can trigger a sell-off, causing the price to plummet. It's like the whale suddenly deciding to beach itself, not a pretty sight for anyone nearby. So while the presence of whales can be a sign of validation for a cryptocurrency, it also introduces an element of volatility that investors need to be aware of. But FLOKI's fate isn't solely in the hands of these crypto leviathans. Remember those meme coin origins we talked about? Well, they've given FLOKI something incredibly valuable, a dedicated and passionate community. Online communities are the lifeblood of meme coins, and FLOKI is no exception. These communities are hubs of activity, buzzing with discussions, memes, and a shared belief in the power of their chosen cryptocurrency. They're like the digital equivalent of a Viking raiding party, spreading the word of FLOKI far and wide. This community-driven enthusiasm shouldn't be underestimated. It creates a sense of belonging, fuels social media hype, and can even influence the price. The more people who believe in FLOKI, the more demand it generates, potentially driving up the price. It's a testament to the power of collective belief, even in the seemingly irrational world of meme coins. Section 5, Counting Profits, Measuring Success. Now let's talk numbers, because at the end of the day, that's what gets investors really excited. And when it comes to FLOKI, the numbers are looking pretty good for a lot of holders. A significant portion of them are currently sitting on some tidy profits. This widespread profitability is like honey to a bear, attracting even more investors hoping to get in on the action. It creates a self-fulfilling prophecy of sorts, where the belief in future price increases leads to more buying, which in turn drives the price up further. However, it's important to remember that not everyone who boards the FLOKI longship is guaranteed a smooth ride. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and what goes up can come crashing down just as quickly. So while the current profitability is encouraging, it's not a guarantee of future success. Section 6. Navigating the market depths. To truly understand FLOKI's potential, we need to venture beyond the surface hype and into the depths of the cryptocurrency market. This means looking at things like market capitalization, trading volume, and liquidity. Market capitalization gives us an idea of FLOKI's overall value compared to other cryptocurrencies. Think of it as the total value of all the FLOKI coins in circulation. The higher the market cap, the bigger the splash FLOKI is making in the crypto sea. Trading volume tells us how much FLOKI is being bought and sold over a certain period. High trading volume indicates strong interest and activity, which is generally a good sign. It means there are plenty of people willing to trade FLOKI, making it easier to buy or sell without causing drastic price swings. Liquidity refers to how easily FLOKI can be bought or sold without affecting its price. High liquidity is crucial, especially for larger investors, as it allows them to enter or exit their positions without causing market turmoil. Section 7. Charting the course ahead. Now let's consult the crypto equivalent of a crystal ball, technical analysis. Traders use various indicators and chart patterns to try and predict future price movements. It's not an exact science, more like reading tea leaves, but it can provide some insights into potential trends. Technical analysts look for things like support and resistance levels, moving averages, and momentum indicators to identify potential buying or selling opportunities. These indicators can help paint a picture of where FLOKI's price might be headed, but it's important to remember that technical analysis is just one piece of the puzzle. Market sentiment, news events, and even Elon Musk's tweets can throw a wrench into even the most well-crafted technical analysis. So, while it can be a useful tool, it's essential to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism and to consider other factors as well. Section 8. Weighing the odds. So, after this deep dive into the world of FLOKI, what's the verdict? Well, as with most things in the crypto world, it's complicated. FLOKI has a lot going for it: a strong community, impressive price performance, and the backing of some big players. However, it's also important to acknowledge the risks. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and meme coins, in particular, can be susceptible to wild price swings. FLOKI's fate is also closely tied to Bitcoin's performance, which adds another layer of uncertainty. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in FLOKI is a personal one. There's potential for significant gains, but also the risk of substantial losses. It's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember folks, the crypto sea can be treacherous, so sail carefully. Section 9, disclaimer, tread carefully. And now a message from our lawyers, because apparently you can't just go around giving financial advice willy-nilly, even if you are a fake news commentator pretending to be a financial expert. The information provided in this rambling exploration of FLOKI is for entertainment purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently risky, and you could lose all of your money. So please, do your research, consult with a qualified financial advisor, and don't blame us if your crypto dreams turn into a financial nightmare.